my name is Lisa Laham. We have the Galeon 55 Fly.
I'm Steve Laham. The name of the boat is the Aberdeen.
Aberdeen is actually the name of a bar in northern Wisconsin.
4 years ago, I was down in Key West with my best client on a different brand of boat, and the Galeon Rendezvous happened to be going on at that time, and I saw 12, 15 of these big, beautiful yachts, and I was like, what's going on? So we were able to literally walk on almost all of them. The owners were very accommodating and let us get on board. They told us what they liked, what they didn't like, and it was all positive. For me, it fit the bill. Been looking a little bit, but the funny part of the story is, a day later, I literally called the salesman, Kyle, and asked if I could come up and test drive one. My wife was on a girls' trip in California, and I went ahead and bought it without even telling her. So she loves the boat, but I'm still paying for that.
My favorite features of the boat are that it's seaworthy. I feel very safe on the boat. I like the size of the boat. I like the layout of the boat. I feel like we can have quite a bit of company on the boat and not be bumping into each other, and people have their own space.
As she mentioned, I love the space. The ride is solid. So this is my 5th boat in Florida. And we've taken a lot of trips to the Keys and overnight, and there's not been a boat tighter than the Galeon. I mean, it doesn't squeak, and it's a lot of boat. At 28 miles an hour or 25 knots, it just cruises incredible. Big and spacious, it's elegant, it's a yacht.